It's 2 a.m., and your mind keeps replaying one conversation, searching for what you should have said instead of silence. One small worry sneaks in, then multiplies. Did I sound rude? Forget something? Say too much again? Embarrass myself somehow? Your brain isn't broken, it's just stuck in ancient survival mode, scanning constantly for danger that has already passed by. This constant scanning was once useful, keeping your distant ancestors alive by predicting threats before they even became truly dangerous. The problem is the world changed, but your brain's ancient alarm system never got any single memo, update, or upgrade. Now a work deadline, an awkward text, or a silent friend can trigger the same alarm as a real threat. So your brain does what it knows, it loops the thought again and again, hoping repetition will produce a solution. Overthinking feels productive, like you're solving something, but really it's your mind mistaking repetition for genuine progress and true control. By the end of the day, you're mentally drained, not from what happened, but from replaying it 100 times. Neuroscientists call this the default mode network, the brain region that activates when you're not focused on anything in particular. It's the same network responsible for daydreaming, self-reflection, and unfortunately, replaying every awkward moment from the last 10 long years. The moment you stop being busy, that's exactly when your default mode network switches on and thoughts start flooding in. Your brain doesn't just report reality, it constantly predicts it, which means it often imagines worst-case scenarios before anything happens. Uncertainty feels dangerous to your brain, so overthinking becomes an attempt to predict every outcome and feel a little safer. Your amygdala, the brain's alarm center, treats emotional pain like physical danger, keeping you alert long after the moment passed. Without a clear resolution, your amygdala keeps firing, and your mind keeps searching for closure it can never actually find. Here's the turning point: overthinking isn't a character flaw, it's a learned pattern, and learned patterns can absolutely be unlearned. You don't have to fight every thought, you just have to interrupt the loop before it spirals into something bigger. Simply naming what's happening, saying, "I'm overthinking right now," creates distance between you and the thought, weakening its grip instantly. Slow, deliberate breathing signals safety to your nervous system, telling your brain the danger has passed and it can relax. You won't stop every anxious thought overnight, but you can gradually teach your brain that silence doesn't always mean danger. Set a 5-minute daily worry window, let your mind spiral fully there, then gently close the door when time's up. Notice 5 things you can see, 4 you can touch, and 3 you can hear to pull yourself back here. Physical movement, even a short walk, shifts your brain out of rumination mode and back into your actual physical body. Writing your thoughts down externalizes them, freeing up mental space your brain was using to hold and replay everything constantly. Poor sleep makes your amygdala more reactive, so protecting your rest is one of the simplest ways to calm overthinking. Before spiraling further, ask yourself one simple question: is this thought actually useful, or is it just familiar and comfortable? Overthinking doesn't mean something's wrong with you, it means your brain is trying, sometimes too hard, to keep you safe. With practice, patience, and small daily shifts, a calmer, quieter mind isn't just possible, it's genuinely, realistically within your reach. So tonight, when your thoughts start spiraling, pause, breathe, and remind yourself gently, you're safe, and this moment will pass.